In this video, we will learn how basic printing can be done in Python programming language and how escape sequences can be used. The character strings in Python can be printed by making use of single quotes or double quotes, as you can see here. The single quotes and double quotes both are identical in Python programming language. Like here, you can use single quote or you can make use of double quote. Okay, now the new line character is by default assumed to be present. So when you print learn Python, either in single quotes or double quotes, the cursor goes to the first position of the next line automatically. But if we wish to suppress the default new line character, then we can write like this: print within single quote whatever string, comma, n equal to operator, and this is not double quote, it is two single quotes one after the other. Okay, and then you write the next print statement. The effect would be this string would be printed just after the string printed here. Okay, this string printed here. So let us see how it appears on the monitor. Okay, look here. So if I write print single quote spelling is wrong, no problem. You can see the string which was written within single quotes is displayed onto the monitor. Same effect can be achieved by making use of double quote. Okay, now what we can do is we can write print, maybe within single quotes, learn Python, single quotes, then end equal to single quotes. Now you can see here, you just pay attention. This has come in the same line. The cursor earlier used to be the first column of the next line, but here cursor has been placed just after the prompt immediately here. Okay, so it means it has not affected the default new line character. Okay, now if we say print another string, you can say maybe today. So what is the effect? Now the new line character comes automatically. Okay, so next one is, so as I told you, it has a default new line. Now you can see here we can make use of escape characters. So here if we write like this, print either in single quotes or double quotes this string, so here backslash n has a special meaning. Here backslash is the escape character and this backslash n is referred to as escape sequence. Now the meaning of this is, if you have a backslash, the character immediately next to backslash has a special meaning. So it will not print n, it will do something else. Now backslash n is referred to as new line character. So wherever it appears, the following character is printed on the first column of the next line. So like this, let me type for you: print learn \n Python. Now observe, the word learn, L-E-A-R-N, has been printed, and then the character following the escape sequence \n, that is Python, capital P of Python, goes to the first character of the next line. So \n is referred to as a new line character. Actually, \n gets expanded into two codes rather: carriage return and line feed. So let's look at the old manual typewriter. Here you see this is referred to as carriage, and we insert the paper inside somewhere here, okay, and then this is used to scroll the paper up, and normally this carriage is towards the left hand side. So this part goes to the left hand side, and the printing head remains stationary, and we start typing. As you keep on typing, the carriage starts moving towards the right side, and when you reach to the end, the carriage goes to the rightmost position. It means you have reached to the end of the paper, okay, when you keep on printing. So sorry, if the carriage moves to the leftmost position. Now suppose you want to print next line, okay, then this lever is pressed a bit downwards. What does it do? It scrolls the page one line up. So when you move the carriage towards its original position, okay, when you move the carriage to the original position, we call it carriage return, and when you press this lever downwards, it is nothing but the line feed. Okay, so it can be achieved by making use of some escape sequences: carriage return, line feed. So there are escape sequences which are recognized by Python. So if you want to print single quote, using single quotes or double quotes, use \single quote. Similarly for double quote, for backslash, if you want to print backslash, you have to type backslash twice within single quote or double quote, it will print backslash. \n is new line character, as I have just told you. This \r is nothing but the carriage return. \f is form feed. It means it is, I distinctly remember in old days while using this code to print something onto the paper, form feed used to skip the remaining page and used to align the cursor or the printing head to the first line, first character of the next page. Backspace, this is \b is backspace, \t is horizontal tab, \v is vertical tab, \a is bell character. It has no meaning nowadays. I remember in days of DOS, normally \a, when used in print statements, used to generate a beep onto the speaker of the personal computer. \000, actually it is not 000, O, these are octal values. We'll see how they can be used. And \h, XHH, 2 hexadecimal digits. So these are the escape sequences which are recognized by Python and most of the programming languages. Okay, so let's have a look. Now, if I say print I want to print double quotes, then no need to make use of escape sequence. Escape sequence is required when I want to print single quote by making use of single quote. So like this, it prints the single quotes. So if I wish to print double quote using single quotes, no escape sequence required. If I wish to print single quote using single quote, I have to use backslash, that is escape character. On this similar lines, if I want to make use of double quote using double quote, use escape sequence. Okay, now similarly, print the backslash character itself. Now let me make use of another escape sequence. Print learn backslash r Python. Now you can see the effect. The effect is this character has gone. These characters, this word, because backslash r, what does it do? It does not give you any, you can say, form feed or line feed. This backslash r brings the cursor to the first position on the same line. So the character immediately following backslash r would be printed onto the first column of the same line, and other characters will follow. So here LEARN has been overwritten by PYTHON. By coincidence, this has 6 characters and this has 5 characters. So first word has been completely overwritten by the next word. So this is the effect of backslash r. Now next what we can check is print, learn, spelling is wrong, LEARN, learn backslash f Python. What does this do? Now you can observe here, the Python word has gone to the next line but not in the first column. It starts printing immediately after the last character of the previous word or previous character before the character before the backslash f escape sequence. So line feed, form feed on the monitor has the same effect, that it goes to the same character position but in the next line. Now next one is, you can say, print, let us see what is the effect of B. This is backspace. When we use the backspace character, now you can see N of learn word has been replaced by P. It is just backspace key, effect of backspace key. Okay. Next one, let us see print learn backslash V Python. Now same effect, just like backslash F, that is form feed. This backslash V is vertical tab. So effect is same. Now we see the more important, print learn backslash T. This is the horizontal tab. Horizontal tab. Now see the effect. Now normally how many space characters would be between learn and Python? These two words, I mean between N and P of Python. Actually it follows the same rule which Unix operating system used to follow. One tab character used to be of 8 spaces. So now here you should observe that the space between these two seems to be variable. Actually, after \t, the next character would be printed after skipping integral multiple of 8 space characters. So here, if we say LEARN, N is at 5th location, so 6th, 7th, 8th. It has left, it is skipped 8 spaces total. P gets printed at the 9th location. Okay. Now we can take another example. Print, then LEARN learn \t Python \t. Now let's see what happens. Again, it has printed, you can see 6, 7, 8 characters left. Now 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 it starts. Okay, so with every \t, the immediately following character would be placed at the integral multiple of 8 spaces. One more, what we can see is print how \t r \t u. Now this is at 5th location, HOW3, 4, 5th, and 6, 7, 8, 9. A starts at 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and U starts at 17. So this must be clear now that \t follows the Unix rule of making \t, that is tab character, equal to 8 space character. Now these are some 7-bit ASCII control codes. Now control all ASCII codes whose values are less than 32 are referred to as control codes, and the control codes have special meaning. Okay, their value is less than 32, decimal number 32. So some of the control codes are given here. Now people working in computer communication may recognize these. This is the start of heading, the start of text, end of text, acknowledgement. Okay, this is same bell alert. This is the backspace. Okay, then data link escape, negative acknowledgement. These are the control codes which are normally used on communication channels, normally towards the lower end of the 7-layer computer communication OSI model. Okay, so we are not interested in these codes. What we are interested in is these codes. You can say backspace, then horizontal tab, vertical tab. This is the line feed. Its effect is just like form feed, these two. Okay, and then the carriage return. Okay, just note down. I will give you an example by making use of carriage return and line feed. Okay, so 0D is carriage return, line feed is 0A hexadecimal. Their octal equivalents are 015 and 012 respectively. So let me go for this. let me type this one, print within double quotes learn \x o0 \0d \x 0a Python. Now see the effect. It is just like \n. The same effect can be achieved print by typing like this, learn \015 \012 Python. Same effect. So what does it mean? It means by making use of control codes, we can control where our cursor would go. Okay. Now, 7-bit ASCII printable codes. This is a table which you can find anywhere on the internet. In a number of places you would find. SP stands for space. This is hexadecimal, just to save space. I have not shown the octal equivalent, which you can find out yourself. Now you can pay attention. 30, that is 0 symbol. Okay, so 0 digit, its ASCII code is 30 hexadecimal. Similarly, 41 is hexadecimal, that is 65 decimal number is for capital A, 42 is for capital B. So these are all ASCII codes. By instead of making use of these symbols, if you want to print \, then you can print using hexadecimal code 5C. It will print. Okay, so let us see an example, and you can check. I'll be typing print, maybe within double quotes, \x 4c \x 65 \x 61 \x 72 \x 6e \x 20 \x 50 \x 79 \x 74 \x 68 \x 6f \x 6e. See what does it do? It prints learn Python. Okay, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.